Hello, kids. Good morning. This is Teacher Grace, and welcome back to our class. Today, we are going to learn more about dinosaurs. We are going to learn three types of dinosaurs. Now, let's begin. Dinosaur. Let's spell the word dinosaur. 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 Now, the first dinosaur that we're going to talk about today is the Triceratops. 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 Let's spell Triceratops. 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 It means three-horned face. Next, we have the word horn. Horn. Can you say horn? That's good. Let's spell horn. H-O-R-N. Horn. These are the horns of the Triceratops. There are two long horns facing forward and one short horn. The next word is beak. Beak. Can you say beak? That's good. Let's spell beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. This is a beak. The Triceratops has a beak like a bird. And Triceratops is toothless. Toothless, that means no teeth. Next word is frill. Bony frill. Now look at this one. This is a frill, but it's hard because it's bony. It has like a bone. A bone. Let's spell bony frill. B-O-N-Y-F-R-I-L-L. Bony frill. Next word is the body. Body. Its body is bulky. Bulky. Let's spell bulky body. B-U-L-K-Y. Bulky. B-O-D-Y. Body. Next, the tail. It has a short tail. Just a short tail, as you can see. Let's spell short tail. S-H-O-R-T. Short. T-A-I-L. Tail. Next are the legs. The legs. How many legs does a Triceratops has? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 short legs. short legs. Next, it is about 8 meters long. 8 meters. Its length. And its height, it's about 7 feet. 7 feet, or like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's like 7 rulers. That's 7 feet. Next, Triceratops weighs about 6 to 12 tons, or 10,886.2 kilograms. Is it heavy? Yes, it is. Triceratops eat only plants. That's why we call them
herbivore.
Let's spell herbivore. Herbivore.
Herbivore.
Triceratops lived about 68 to 65 million years ago in what they call Cretaceous period. Cretaceous period. The next dinosaur that we're going to talk about is the Stegosaurus. 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 It means roofed lizard. Roofed lizard. Next, Stegosaurus has a small brain. And it's kind of slow. It has tall spikes or plates. These. They call it spikes or plates. And it's 2 rows. 2 rows. This is 1 row. And the back part, the other side, is the second row. Next, about Stegosaurus, its hind legs, the hind legs are longer. It's longer than the front legs. These are the front legs. Next, Stegosaurus has a long tail. Long tail. Its length is about 9 meters. 9 meters. Stegosaurus is about 13 feet. 13 feet. And it weighs about 2 to 5 tons, or 4,535.92 kilograms. Stegosaurus also eats plants only. And what do we call those animals that eat plants only? We call them
herbivore, herbivore.
That's good. Stegosaurus lived about 150 million years ago in Jurassic period. Jurassic period. That is all for Stegosaurus. The next, the next dinosaur that we're going to talk about is the Velociraptor. 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 Or they call it Swift Caesar. Swift Caesar. Velociraptor has a large brain. Let's spell large. 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 Brain. 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 Next, they said that Velociraptor is feathered. Feathered. It has feathers like this. Now, let's spell the word feathered. 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 That's good. Velociraptor has a long tail. It has a long tail. Long tail. That's good. And these are its hind legs. That means the back legs. Its hind legs are long. It's long. Everybody say long hind legs. Very good. Also, Velociraptor has claws. Claws. Let's spell claws. C-L-A-W-S. Claws. Like the claws. So you can see, these are the claws. And it's long, like 3 inches long. And it's also sharp. It's sharp. Velociraptors is 2 meters long. Its length is 2 meters. And it's about 3 feet tall. 3 feet. Velociraptors weigh 15 kilograms. It's kind of small and light. It's not too heavy. It's only 15 kilograms. Velociraptor eats animals. Eats meat. We call them carnivore. Carnivore. And that is all for our lesson this morning. Let's proceed to your activity. Instruction. Watch the video and name the following dinosaurs. All you have to do is write the name of these dinosaurs in the box. What dinosaur is it? Write the name here. And what dinosaur is this? Write the name here. And lastly, this one. For the next activity, simply you just have to draw. Drawing. Draw one dinosaur that eats plant, and one dinosaur that eats meat or other animals. And that is all for our lesson this morning. Goodbye and see you again